Welcome to another quick review, and today we are going to look at something really cool. We're going to look at a smart body fat scale. Now, when it says fat, this thing doesn't just measure fat. It measures 28 different body metrics. It's going to measure things like your muscle composition, how much water your body has. It's going to measure an awful lot of things. Now, this uses an app to be able to keep track of it, so you can do full printouts. It has a handheld device. We're going to pull it out of the box in a second so you can see that, but it has a cable, and you hold it up, and it's going to use sensors in your hands and sensors in the feet, which uses impedance on the lower part of your body and the upper part of your body to get very accurate measurements, so that you can track things. This will also work with multiple people in the family. Now, this has a 400-pound capacity, even though they have actually made the footprint on this a little smaller than their previous version by using ABS plastic materials. It actually handles an awful lot, and it will handle a lot of abuse. Now, this will work with several health apps. It's going to work with StarFit. It's going to work with Apple Health. It's going to work with Fitbit, and it's going to work with Health Connect. So if you're using any of those programs, this is already preset to work perfectly with those. One of the really cool things about this unit is it will even work in a pregnancy mode. So if you're pregnant, it takes into account that you are pregnant, and it adjusts everything for that, which is kind of cool. So you're going to get it in this box like this. We're going to open it up. I have not really taken it out yet. I just broke the seal. And let's see what we get in for. Now, the other thing I'm going to point out that I like is I like the way that they actually wrap it. They have foam all the way around it to make sure that it arrives to you safe and sound and not broken. We're going to move this back. It has the RunStar manual. It's going to walk you through everything step by step, walk you through setting up your app and all of that. It's also got a quick cheat sheet here in the front that you go through, and it walks you through actually using it for the first time. And the unit itself. So here's your ABS plastic I was talking about here, and it has a glass top, and this glass top has the sensors in it that's going to help send that impedance through you. This is the part that pulls up I was talking about, that you put your thumbs on and the backs of your fingers like this. So thumbs, and you're going to put it out in front of you like this, and you're going to hold it for like 60 seconds until it reads. You're going to remove the protective film on the front of this, and they give you some little barcodes on here so you can scan for more information. And at the very back, it is battery operated, and you will just simply remove the tab so that it starts it. And now that is off. So that is your actual unit right there, and it's already trying to read. And by the way, you don't have to use the handheld device every time. Matter of fact, you don't even have to upload it to the app every time. You can just get on it and take the measurement. So if you get offline or your system is down, you can still use this. And then when your system comes back upline, you can actually upload everything, and it will update all of your stats. So very, very cool. So what I'm going to do real quick is we're going to get on it. We're going to check it out, see how well it works, and then we'll do a quick printout. So let's do that. Hold it out in front of you like that. There you go. And let's see if is it reading. Okay, there we go. Scroll on your smart device until you see the SmartFit app. Click it to open. This is going to be your home screen. You can scroll this screen to see an overview of all of your body composition, including all 28 body components. You can also see what your limb data is, your muscle balance, etc. You can find all of the recorded data on your 28 components in this screen. On the next screen, you'll actually look for the little icon in the left middle, hit that, and you're going to get your body composition analysis report, which is an extremely detailed report that gives you the total information about you. Now in the next screen, the upper three little dots, you can actually manually record readings. You've got facts, you have share with a friend, you have a baby mode where you can actually weigh your baby,
and you can add devices. The facts are really interesting. You can scroll through these. It gives you a ton of information. When you get back, go to the left-hand side, the picture up in the top, and you can add a guest or you can add a new user. It's very simple. Enter their information and hit confirm. The next body diagrams that you're fixing to see will actually break your torso from your limbs, which is really a cool feature. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.